For over 20 years, Phonak Canada has been committed to improving the lives of people with hearing loss. With a full-time Canadian production facility, our team of highly skilled and experienced professionals ensure that the design and production of a Phonak custom hearing aid is crafted with the utmost care and precision.
My name is Valdi Malinowski. I've been working for Phonak for over 20 years. I've started a small lab 15 years ago. That lab was 3 employees at that time. Today at Phonak we employ close to 120 highly skilled production technicians.
My name is Irene. I have worked at Phonak in order entry for almost 14 years. The production of hearing aids starts with us. When customers send us orders, we check the paperwork and special instructions to enter the order into the system. We also enter audiograms. This step allows us to pre-program the device before hearing aid leaves our facility. We have to know which options are available and compatible with our products. I love this job. I love doing my job. And when I read customers' notes, I can see that we help a lot of people.
My name is Prem Parmal and I've been at Phonak for 3 years now. After order entry is finished, we take the impression and we put it into our 3D scanners. And it takes a virtual soft copy of the impression and we keep that on file for up to 5 years. RSM is rapid shell modeling, and here's where we get the soft copy from impression scanning, and we use Phonak's proprietary RSM software, and we basically design the hearing aids from start to finish. We take the order form and all the customer's requests from order entry. That's including the vents, AOV, and our new digital locks. And we can see whether or not these components are going to fit, and we can give the customers what they request. We have to look at how our teammates down the line, are they going to be able to case the hearing aid? Are they going to be able to wire it based on the schematics that we design in RSM? We have to look at the end product. We have to think about making the most comfortable and the most aesthetically pleasing hearing aid for our customers. The majority of our customers ask for an invisible hearing aid, like virtually invisible, and here at Phonak we strive to provide our customers with the smallest possible hearing aid while packing in the most technology as we can.
My name is Samantha, and I've been with the company for over 3.5 years. After RSM, the shells will go to digital shell manufacturing. We will use our Envision Tech 3D printers to then print the shell as to what RSM had modeled. It will use a liquid acrylic base, and it will spray layer by layer with small bursts of UV light to cure the shell and build it up from nothing.
The process called digital light processing. Our 3D printers are capable of printing close to 40 shells in an hour, which actually reducing greatly our internal turnaround time.
When they take it out, they'll clean off the shells, and they will also put it in the auto flash machine. If we cure a clear shell with 6,000 bursts of light, it will start to discolor and turn yellow. So our technicians need to be really careful when they set the machines. Once they match up the shells with the correct orders, they will use a Versa laser to then engrave the serial number, the model, as well as Phonak, and either the patient name if the clinic has requested. The orders will then go to kitting. Our kitting cabinets hold all the components our lines might need to build the shells. We have over 400 different faceplates. We also have our receivers. We have mic screens, push buttons, VC wheels, wires. We have everything. Once they pick the correct faceplates, it will go into another Versa laser, and the laser will then cut an outline of the faceplate, again as to what RSM had modeled.
My name is Tina, and I've been working for Phonak for a little bit over 10 years. I work in assembly, and we do wiring, closing, and finishing. In wiring, we do microscopic soldering as we customize each faceplate to a specific order. And once that's done, we will put all the components into the shell according to a 3D model. And when that's done, we'll cut, buff, and sand and lacquer the whole hearing aid, and that's our finished product. The lacquer and all the material that we use is all hypoallergenic.
My name is Jack. I've worked at Phonak for 19 years. I do quality control here. My job consists of the final process, which includes visual inspection of the hearing instrument and electric acoustic test, which is done through our state-of-the-art hearing aid analyzers. We cross-reference the customer order form with the Phonak order form to make sure whatever the customer order is exactly what they entered.
My name is Naz. I worked at Phonak for over 10 years. I'm the production manager. My team and I are here to ensure that our customers get the best product every day on time.
Being with Phonak for the last decade or so, I've had lots of opportunity to see how our technology has really benefited people and allowed them to reintegrate into society, or the classroom, or the workplace. It really is something that has an impact, I think, on all of us who work at Phonak.
Now that you've met the team behind the creation of Phonak Custom Devices, and you've seen our state-of-the-art facilities, it's easy to see why Phonak hearing aids are truly special. We are committed to changing the lives of people with hearing loss, one hearing aid at a time.